Have you ever seen a sunshade pergola with flowing water around it? The blinds include height-adjustable sun and privacy screens that protect against light, wind and rain. They are easy to assemble and consist of a robust textile net and a powder-coated aluminum frame. We choose the strongest aluminum material. Aluminum louvered pergola has a longer service life than wooden customized gazebos and is not easy to rot. It's built to last at least 30 years with good upkeep, cleaning, and basic maintenance.